Yo, Scotty V here. Just a quick video. I'm not going to go crazy. I don't want to spend a lot of your time and my time doing this thing, but simply put, I've tried a bunch of other stuff like, collapsible carts, pull carts, steel carts that are expandable and you can change the size depending on how many boxes you have with you. They work fine. Everything works fine. It's no big deal. But this is a way better system, and I looked into it, all the different brands at Milwaukee and Ryobi and all the different brands, and for the price and for what I need, this thing's super badass. I've got a fully rigged Canon C400 down here. I've got a fully rigged Canon C70 here with multiple lenses in the negative space. I also got this crate with two small rig 120 lights, along with the light bank. That's a great deal. And then I've got all my audio and little knick-knack stuff. Any cables, any kind of supporting things I need right here. I've also got this light stands, that interlocking light stands right here. I got 3 of them right here. And I've also got a very nice big softbox. So that's pretty much all I need, except for my tripods. I haven't worked that out yet. I'm gonna have to bring 2 tripods, obviously, or a tripod and a monopod. That I've yet to figure out how to do here. Might be a 2 trip to the truck, but yeah, this system's way better than anything I've had yet. So yeah, the Bauer system, 170 bucks about. Super badass, love it. The wheels are a little small. And it's not a negative, it's just it offers different things. Some of these toolboxes have sliding drawers, and yeah, would that be easier if you're, just slide drawer out, pull a camera out, and close it, as opposed to taking it apart? But if you're on a shoot and you brought all the things that you need or you feel that are necessary for the shoot that day, you're going to be taking it all apart anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to make life a lot easier. So the Bauer from Harbor Freight, very reasonable, half the prices of a lot of, or even less than half the price of other ones. So check it out, and good luck shooting. All right.